Hi, today I'm going to read for you Earth's Water. It's a level H book by Reading A to Z, okay? So here's Earth's Water. And here a boy is at the beach and he's running into the water, okay? That's one of my favorite things to do with water. Dweep. Okay, the table of contents shows this tap, the faucet, with a drink, okay? It's like a fountain out in a park, okay? But it's squirting the water in the air so you can drink. Water everywhere. Water is in ponds, lakes, and oceans. It flows in rivers and streams. It is in the air too, like clouds, okay? Most of Earth is covered with water. Plants and animals need water to live. A lot of water in this picture. Australia. What are some ways you use Earth's water? So here, different forms of water. Most of the water we see is a liquid. Liquid water takes the shape of the container it is in. Okay, so liquids. Liquids, water, milk, coffee, tea, even blood is a liquid. Not all water is liquid. When water gets very cold, it freezes. It becomes solid. Solid water is called ice. Much of Earth's frozen water is at the North and South poles, okay, like in Canada, Russia, and in Antarctica. Some of the Earth's water is invisible. It is in the air. This water is a gas. Water is always changing. When frozen water is heated, it melts. It changes to a liquid. When liquid water gets cold, it freezes. It changes to ice. Ice, liquid, ice. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up in the sun? There's a puddle. Big one. Heat from the sun changes the liquid water into a gas. This is called evaporation. So the water goes from the puddle into the air. Evaporation. Evaporation. When invisible water in the air gets cold, it can make clouds. Clouds are tiny drops of liquid water. Those drops can get bigger. Then they fall as rain. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive. We fight fires with water. Animals take baths in water. Baths. It is important to take care of Earth's water. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink and play in polluted water? Okay. So you want good, clean water. Okay. So here, these words: evaporation, freezes, gas, invisible, liquid, melts, polluted, and solid. Okay? Evaporation is when the water goes into the air and then makes clouds. Okay? Freezes, that's when you have water, but it gets too cold and it'll turn to ice. Okay? So the water will freeze. The water will freeze. Okay? Gas. Gas is like in the air, when water's in the air. Gas. Okay? This is a little bit different than the gas that's in your car. Okay? Gas in your car is actually a liquid, but it's the same name. This gas means when water's in the air. Okay? Or maybe helium in the balloon. That's also a gas. Okay? The balloons that float. Invisible means you can't see it. Liquid, we talked about it. Okay? Water, milk, tea. Melts. Melts is ice cream. Ice cream on a hot day will melt onto your hand. Or chocolate will melt in your fingers. Polluted means dirty. And solid. Solid is things you can touch. Okay, not a liquid. This is a liquid. This is a solid. Take care. Goodbye.